thanks for clicking on this video. I feel like I'm always like this. Welcome to another video. Thanks for coming to my channel, Shaylin Denise. Hey, how you doing? How you doing? Anyway, guys, so today I'm gonna be showing you how I got this hairstyle from my short natural hair. Okay, guys, so let's just get started. Right now, my hair is it was in a protective style where it was just twisted back, so it's pretty stretched out. You want your hair to be stretched out, so since we have shorter hair, you know, like my hair doesn't just easily go into a ponytail. So I'm hoping that since it was a more stretched out style, it will be easier to put into a ponytail. So I just love moisturizing my hair because it's always so dry. So I'm just gonna use some Mielle Organics hair milk. I love this stuff. I actually just went and had to restock because I bought it first just to kind of like try it out, and now it's like a staple of mine. But I'm not gonna put too much because it is kind of a wetter moisturizer where it might activate my curls and make my hair shrink a little. Okay, so now I'm gonna take my wide tooth comb and just comb it out because I'm gonna try to stretch it just a little bit more. And so it's fairly detangled actually, which is a little bit surprising. Now I'm going to try to get all of this hair into a bun. So I have this hair tie. I know these are kind of like, they have really a lot of tension in them, so they're kind of hard on your hair. I also have this loose one just in case. Sometimes one works better than the other, so we're gonna see. But first, I'm gonna use the Eco Styler gel. I use the olive oil one, it's my favorite. I use it for everything. I love this one. I've tried the argan oil one. I've tried a few of them and I didn't like them as much as I like this one. So now I'm gonna take a generous amount. And I'm just smoothing it on my hair right now because we do want it to look very sleek and smooth, and this will also help to keep my hair together in the ponytail and hopefully have less parts of it like falling out. Okay, so now I'm taking my paddle brush and I'm going to brush up, and you can see it's smoothing it pretty well. And then I'm also going to brush up the back. We want to get our kitchen. Now we're going to take our hair tie and just use our muscles to get this hair into a ponytail. I feel like I just got a facelift. Do you see how my eyes are like? So somehow I was able to get my hair in this bun, and you can see it's pretty smooth, although we are going to work on it a little bit more later. So now the fun part, I'm taking Kanekalon hair, which you can buy at your local beauty supply store. I think you can even buy Kanekalon hair at like Sally's Beauty. And so I just took a whole pack, and since I dyed my hair, I got a color that was closer to it, and I took a pack of the hair and I just split it in half and then put a rubber band on it. This part of the rubber band is going to go around your bun. Okay, so now I'm going to take this piece of the hair and I'm just going to wrap it around, but as I'm wrapping, I'm going to twist it. But first, I'm going to just make sure that it's covering this part. So I put it over, and then I bring it to the side and I just start wrapping away. I'm going to take this additional piece, and you don't have to do this, you could just wrap it around. But I just want to add something a little bit different, so I'm going to start twisting the hair. All the way until the end. Then I'm going to start wrapping it just kind of all over it. I go kind of diagonal, I go at the bottom, just however. So we're not done yet. I need to check the back to make sure that it's gonna stay and it's not gonna be like the hair's not gonna be falling down. And now for my favorite part, we're about to do the edges. So you guys are really close and personal with me today. But so for the edges, what I like to do is I like to get some of the Eco Styler gel and put it on my edges first. Just like this, just like this. And then I take my Gorilla Snot. I love this stuff. I don't even use edge control because this works so well for me. So I just take a little bit on my fingers, and then I kind of like smooth it onto my edges, but then I take my finger and I just start making little baby hairs. So as you can see, I'm not actually taking like long pieces of hair and curling them. I'm literally going and seeing where my short pieces are in my hair and just like bringing them out and then swooping them in. And I'll do that all over my head. So this is what my little baby hairs look like. And then I'm gonna take this scarf. It's just a wrapping scarf, and I feel like it works better when I'm doing styles like this. And I just put it around like this. I might even actually put this part in the front because I want it to lay flat. And I'll wait like this for about 10 minutes. Okay guys, so after taking it off, this is what it looks like.